What's up, guys? I'm back with another new video, and today we will be looking into new features coming to JavaScript in 2020, which is also known as ES 2020, or you can call it as ES 11. So, yeah, there are many new cool features, and you should start using it in your projects. So, we will be looking into it. So, let's get started. The first new feature which is coming to JavaScript 2020 and we'll be seeing is class private fields. Earlier in 2016 or ES6, we received a class natively in JavaScript which enabled us to create object-oriented JavaScript very easily, and it was missing one key feature, you can say, which is private fields. Now they have added, so we will see how we can create class fields private. So I'll be creating one class user which will have few properties or fields, you can say, name, and another property I'll be adding is a secret key, which is of course secret. And you must be wondering why I have added this hash sign here. So this is how we can create private properties in JavaScript class now. So this is the key or syntax, and I'll be creating one constructor function or method which will take ID and name as input. So I'll be assigning those ID and name to secret ID equal to ID and sorry, this dot name equal to name, and this is the simplest way of creating any class. So we'll just test it out whether it is working or not. So we'll create one object out of its user equal to new user, sorry, user, which takes ID as 100, and I'll be passing name Nilesh, and we'll try to log it out. Yeah, so user dot name. So we'll test it out by running inside node environment node index.js. So yeah, we are able to see our name, but let's now try to access this secret ID and let's see what we get. So yeah, we are getting one error, but why? Because it is a private property inside our class, so any object outside class cannot access it. Only the member of this class can access this secret ID. So for that reason, we'll create one method get secret ID, and it will return me my secret ID, and I can access that method directly here, saving it, and I'll try to run it here. And yeah, as you can see, it is giving me the 100 as my secret ID. So this is how we can create private fields and access it through its own members, the class own members.